dream project, and hopefully you will start seeing the execution soon.
Oh, thank you. Good, sir. Thank you, sir. Sir, Rao garu, actually, ఇండియన్ టెలికామ్కి ఆరిజిన్ అయిన శ్యామ్ పిట్రోడా గారి దగ్గర మీరు టెక్నాలజీ అడ్వైజర్గా ఉండి ఆ తర్వాత మీ ఎంటర్ప్రినర్ జర్నీ స్టార్ట్ చేశారు. యూ హ్యావ్ డన్ గ్రేట్ ఎగ్జిట్ ఇన్ సర్వీసెస్. నౌ యూ ఆర్ లుకింగ్ ఇన్ టు సమ్ ఆఫ్ ద టెలికామ్ ప్రొడక్ట్స్. సో what మీ జర్నీ, సార్? సో
No, thank you. Thank you, Madan. I think as Venkat Garu has told, I think today we need to really remember Dr. M.S. Sanjeevra Garu. He was instrumental way back in 1985 when I entered the field of telecom along with Dr. Sam Pitroda. We started making the Indian indigenously developed electronic exchanges. And the credit goes to the vision of our community forefather, Dr. M.S. Sanjeev Rao. I would like to say this and reiterate that message as Venkat has told. And his son, Pallam Raj Garu, is carrying the mantle, and he is now, along with Venkat, is starting one of the WOSAT facility in Hyderabad. So we need to be proud of that. Now coming to your question, the telecommunication industry today, we are moving from 4G to 5G. Wireless broadband is a compelling need, and in this digital transformation era, the consumption of video content is very high, and that requires a wireless broadband and not just the optical fiber reaching to your home, even though that's another viable alternative. People want to consume the data on the devices of their choice, mobile phone, tablet, or laptop. So the opportunities that are there in the telecommunication sector is something, as myself and Vajram Garu were talking just before we came here, is can India have a Wi-Fi chip which we can feel proud of, a Wi-Fi 6, because today that's the device which will go into every wireless broadband at home, or that can be used for IoT to do the video surveillance at your homes, offices, wherever. So the demand for that Wi-Fi chip is a big thing. An extension to that is a small cell, not the cell equipment that you see on the rooftops and the towers, but a small cell which is almost equal to the access point. For example, a hall like this, you need to have, for every 10,000 square foot, one 5G small cell, so that can serve about 128 subscribers with a speed of 100 Mbps delivery on the wireless. So that is what the 5G, 4G small cell world is all about. That's another big demand. And I myself have been thinking how we can evolve a system like that, which is required in a few tens of millions for all multi-tenant complexes and halls and stadiums like this in India. It is dominated till now by only the two companies, or maximum three companies, Nokia, Ericsson, and Samsung. But I'm sure a company with around entrepreneurs from our community can think of this as a viable system evolution, and it does not require more than, in my estimate, based on my experience, does not require more than 20 man-years of experience. If we have that manpower, which is about 5 to 10 years experienced people, if we can put together, that's what it calls for. And I'm willing to be the sponsor for that, and that's one of the things. And if somebody comes forward, I think that's a great opportunity. Myself and Pradeep Garu were talking about it. We will continue the discussions. I think this is one of the areas in the 5G era. Another one is about the IoT systems, anything and everything that we see in our homes or offices, everything is a hyper-connected device. Every device that has an IP address is an IoT, Internet of Things. And I think that is supposed to be hyper-connected. So in that sense, you need to have a wireless IoT gateway. And that's a big market again. And these are the three things that I can talk of as my initial response to the question that he has put to me. I think the investments and the market size for this, if you look at it, the market size is about $2 to $3 billion for this small cell Wi-Fi and in-building system in the country, looking at the enterprise complexes and multi-tenant complexes and stadiums that we have. That's what Madan has asked me the question. I think that's where I will stop and give the opportunity for others.